Hey everybody, I am going to show you the collection from Prima called Pretty Mosaic. It is so gorgeous. The colors are amazing. So we have the 12 by 12 sheets of paper here, which come with foil. So if you do not want foil, then you need to get the paper pads versus the single sheet paper. And we'll show you guys that one there. This is so pretty. This one there, here. We have some projects here. So if you made any of these projects or know who made them, make sure you leave a comment and let me know. I love knowing who made what and putting a face to a project. All right, then we're gonna come over here, and then, sorry for the beeping, everybody's still setting up. And then we have this layout up here, so gorgeous. We have the paper pads and some wood embellishments, the journaling cards, 6x6 paper, a little mold, which these molds are really great. We have some chipboard stickers, some Sade and crystals, ephemera. Then we have some more projects down here. This tag is amazing. All of the design team members on Prima's design team are amazing. And I think that is it for the, what was this collection called? It was called Pretty Mosaic. All right, you guys, I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching this video from Creativation 2020. If you want more videos from Creativation, be sure to check out the playlist on my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.